Hello guys, and welcome back to another Trainspotting Mayhem, where today I am at Morganstown. I'm standing outside of Morganstown station because yesterday I got the guard role in SCR. Now, this isn't a review. I'm just gonna be guarding. I know that we're in version 1.6.4 and guarding came out in 1.5. I know, and I started playing in 1.4.4. I'm pretty sure. So I was around playing SCR when guards came out. It just took forever for me to become a guard because you had to servers were getting fully booked like almost immediately. So it's really hard to get into a. I'll go in first person. Really hard to get into a training session. And then even if you got into a training session, then you'd have to pass it. So it's quite hard to become a guard. So it took me 2 months. 2 months. But I did it. And I am now a guard in SCR. And we're just gonna guard some people. Now, I know in my other review I said this is SCR 1.5 part 1. This is kind of a review, like I said. But it's not really a review because we're in 1.6.4 already, so yeah, right. I guess let's do this then, shall we? So, as you can see, I have just done some guarding today already, as you can see. So we're just gonna say in chat, who would like a guard? Right, so now we're gonna do that. I guess I'll see you when I have a guard. Okay guys, so we have got our person who is going to be doing it. So we need to go to Whitney Green. Where's Whitney Green on here? Whitney Green, okay. So let's spawn here. And let's go see him, shall we? Oh, he's just arrived, I think. Where's the station? I haven't actually been to Whitney Green station before. Like, where's the entrance? Seriously, where's the entrance? Oh, it's over there. Okay. Why is it over here? That's quite far away, isn't it? That's very far. Oh god. Wait, is this the guy? No, wait. Request. You almost left without me. Got to go AFK. You can guard someone while you wait. Oh. But you can come back to me. Okay. Okay, well that's awkward. Right, well I guess we'll go guard someone else then, I guess. So I'll see you for that. Alright guys, so we've just arrived at Stepford Central. I apologise for the lag. Oh, this guy's saying request me. I'm not even there. Hold on. Not there yet. Just heading over there now. Jesus Christ, it's taking me like 5 minutes. I've even had to say, hey guys, I'm doing a video. Wanna be in it? So that's how long it's took me. Usually I just say, hey, anyone want a guard? And they just say, and the chat just goes crazy. Oh, me, I want a guard. Not today. I think everyone has a guard. Oh my god, my game is lagging. Right. I might have to go into... Right. Let's request him. My game is lagging. Wow.
The train now approaching platform 14. Terminates here.
Alright, the request has been accepted. So let's open the local door.
Platform 10 for
Jesus, why is my game so slow?
08. Stepford Connect service to Port Denton.
Okay.
Calling at Stepford East. St. Helens Bridge.
Oh
Angel
my
Pass.
god, it's so choppy. Why is it so choppy for?
Bowden.
I don't
This
get
train
it.
terminates here.
Benton.
All change,
Port
please.
Denton.
Thank you for
This
travelling
train
with us.
has 4 coaches.
Does anyone know what my game is so laggy for? Like, you saw it before, didn't you? It was not this choppy at all, was it? And now look at it.
Platform 5 for the
Alright, we need
15,
to
11
change
Stepford
ends.
Connect service to Port Benton.
We are going to Port Benton.
Calling at Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Angel Pass, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, and Port Benton.
So we're going to Port Benton.
This train has 4 coaches. Platform 14 for the 15, 11 Airlink service to
right.
Airport Terminal 2.
So we've changed ends
Calling
now.
at Stepford Airport Central, Airport
Right.
Terminal 1.
So we should be
and
ready to
Airport
go
Terminal 2.
in about a minute's time.
This train has 6 coaches. First class is located at the middle of this train.
Alright, we're ready to go now, so
The
let's...
train now approaching. Platform 4 terminates here.
Close the doors, there we go.
Platform 10 for the 1509
Alright.
Stepford Connect
Awaiting final
service to
dispatch.
Beverley.
Oh, wait, okay.
Calling at
Where's
Stepford
the...
East, St Helens
Why is my
Bridge,
torch not showing up?
New Harrow,
Please tell me where my torch isn't
Ellesmere,
showing up.
Ellesmere Junction, and
Okay, well
Beverley.
this is weird.
This train has 5 coaches.
I think a dispatch has just decided to show up, I think.
Platform 4 for the
Oh, come on.
1512 Stepford Connect service to Lynn by the Sea. Calling at Stepford
Why
East,
did the dispatcher literally
St.
have to
Helens
show
Bridge,
up?
Angel Pass,
Literally
Bowden,
as we're... Okay,
Coxley,
thanks for pushing me there.
Benton, Benton Bridge,
Right.
Hampton Hargate, Water Newton.
He thinks it's me that's
Leighton
holding up the
Stepford
train. I'm
Road,
not holding you up.
Leighton City,
There's a
Asmead,
dispatcher. Yeah, there you go.
Wester Coast, Millcastle, West
Right.
Wyvern, Starry Lock,
Torch.
North Shore, and
And
Lynn by
then
the
let's
Sea.
go in here.
This train has 5 coaches.
Buzz, buzz, buzz. Okay. I can't believe a dispatcher literally had to so we're finally off after like what? I don't even know. That probably took me like 10 minutes to literally start guarding. Is that a record? Is that a record?
Welcome
may I
on board this Stepford Connect
may I
service
say,
to Port Benton.
this is the worst
The
train
next station is
that exists.
Stepford East.
This is the worst train to exist in the game. I like the design. The design's okay, but the sound it makes is just awful. You're going at 50... Let's just give an example. 50 miles an hour, okay? 50 miles an hour. You'll be going at that speed, and it just sounds like it's just starting to move, like it did there. So that's what I don't like about it. So Bantech, Charlie RBX, whoever does the sound, please fix that, because you can do that with the 800. It doesn't do that, does it? See, it just sounds wrong. You're slowing down and you have to like adjust the speed a little bit, and it just does the starting up sound of it.
We will
So,
shortly be
that's
arriving
quite annoying.
at Stepford East.
And that's what I don't like about the 465. Anyway, rant over. So we're approaching Stepford East now, where there is another dispatcher. Oh, I don't like it. I literally don't like the noise. Right. So here we are. We're at Stepford East. Oh, he's not expecting me to pop out. Watch this. He's gonna move down to the front now. Watch this. Give him the surprise of his life. Hello. Now move down to the front of the train. Is he already at the front of the train? I don't know.
This is Stepford East.
I can't tell if he's at the front half of the train or not. See, my game is just so slow. Oh, I think he's noticed. What are you doing? Is he dispatching the right way? I don't think he is. That's not how you dispatch, mate. I don't think. You're dispatching the wrong way. I think he's dispatching the wrong way. Oh, no, he's not. No, I can see he's facing the right way, actually. My bad.
Platform 4 for the 15 15.
Okay.
Stepford Connect
And
Service
let's hop
2.
back in.
Stepford Victoria.
Close the door.
Calling at
There we go.
Stepford Central. City Hospital.
And
Financial
give him the
Quarter.
buzz.
And Stepford Victoria.
And away we go.
This train has 5 coaches.
See you later, DS. Right, next station is St. Helens Bridge.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Port Benton. The next station is St Helens Bridge.
Platform 4. 15. 14. Stepford Connect.
Right. So we're shortly going to be arriving into St. Helens Bridge. Why is it so laggy? Wow. SCR's become a lot laggy recently, as in my opinion anyway. Just zoom out a bit. Oh, going a bit. Oh god.
We will
Oh
shortly
my god,
be arriving at St Helens
it's so
Bridge.
choppy, look at it. It's so really like choppy. Right, which side do we get out of? Do you see how laggy it is?
Platform
Oh my
3
god.
for the 15. 15. Stepford Connect Service 2. Port Benton. Calling at Angel Pass. Bowden. Coxley.
Alright. And there's
Benton,
another
and
dispatcher.
Port Benton.
That's like 3 in a row
This
now,
train has
wow.
4 coaches.
I don't think I've ever seen that before. 3 dispatchers in a row. Yep, there you go. There he goes. Moving down to the front of the train. He sees me and he's like, nope. Going down
This
to the front of the
is
train.
St Helens Bridge.
I just love it. I just love seeing that. With the first day of me being it, I just love seeing dispatchers seeing me and just running down to the front of the train. I, for some reason, love that. Right, close doors. And then give him the torch. Okay. Oh my god, my game's being really choppy again. Right, let's go in. You can tell when your game's laggy when the door doesn't open all the way. Alright, and then signal bell. I think I should make this a series where I do like guarding, but I do like different routes each time. So a bit similar to the train driving simulator, which I haven't done in a while. I need to do another video on that.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Port Benton.
AFK, so I'm
The
going
next
20
station
mph.
is Angel Pass.
Oh, we went AFK, okay. Wait, you going AFK now or what? I don't know. Anyway, the next station will be Angel Pass.
Platform 3 for the 15. 16. Stepford
A train's
Connect
behind us as well then.
by the sea. Calling at Angel Pass. Bowden.
So we're going at like 20 miles an hour right now because the guy's going AFK. Yeah, it does look like we're going 20 miles an hour indeed. You couldn't just wait until we get to the Angel Pass and then at least just wait there. Oh, I think we're speeding up again now, I think. Yeah, we're speeding up again now, I think, so I think we are. I think he's come out of his AFK session again, so. Right, oh my god, it's getting choppy again.
We will shortly be arriving at Angel Pass.
Right. We're now approaching Angel Pass.
Platform 1 for the 15. 16. Stepford Connect Service 2. Port Benton. Calling at Bowden,
Right.
Coxley, Benton, and Port Benton. This
Here we
train
are.
has 4 coaches.
Right, so now we're at Angel Pass. Let's open the local door. Step out of the train. And let's open the doors.
This is Angel Pass.
Right. So yeah, we're at Angel Pass now. Next station will be Bowden, which is literally just 30 seconds away from here. Right. Blow the whistle. Close the doors. Blow the whistle again. I feel bad for the people that are like behind other people, so like I've had to go through that experience before. Driver. There we go. Took a while, but okay.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Port Benton.
Okay.
The next station is Bowden.
Yeah, one time I was driving a train and
Platform
I
1
was
for the
stuck
15,
behind
17,
a train in front of me the whole way. I'm just glad it wasn't to Limb by the Sea. That would probably take like 5 years to get to Limb by the Sea if I was stuck behind another train. Yes, I'm exaggerating.
We will shortly be arriving at Bowden.
Oh, that sounds like another Connect train there. I thought that was an express room, but it's a Connect train, I think.
Connect service to Port Benton. Calling at Coxley, Benton, and Port Benton. This train has 4 coaches.
Right, so we are now at Bowden.
Platform 3 for the
Alright.
15, 17 Stepford Connect service to St Helens Bridge. Calling at St Helens
Let's
Bridge
open the
only.
doors.
This train has 4 coaches.
This is Bowden.
Well, this sounds like an express Voyager passing through. Right. Right, we're now departing Bowden. Alright, let's hop back in and join the train again. Close the local door. Ring the snuggle bell and let's go. I hear a Voyager. I sound like that went that direction. So I was probably going to Stepford Central, that express
Welcome
train.
on board this Stepford Connect service to Port Benton. The next station is Coxley.
Yeah, next station will be Coxley. Don't know why, but I keep thinking the Coxley area is Benton. I really don't know why, but I keep thinking that Coxley is Benton. I don't. It's weird. It's really weird. And this is also very weird as well. We're going backwards in an SDR train. Oh, there was a Connect train there. Right, we're now arriving into Coxley.
We
so I
will
should
shortly
probably,
be arriving at
yeah,
Coxley.
I should probably go into third person view just so I can do this. Right, we're approaching Coxley. The new Coxley. I don't think it's ever been
15,
featured in this
19 Stepford Connect
on this
service
channel.
to
I don't think you've.
Port Benton. calling at
I don't think the new Coxley has
Benton
been shown on this new
and
channel,
Port
and I think there's a
Benton.
dispatcher here as well.
This train has 4 coaches.
I saw someone on top of the bridge. I don't know who though. Right. Let's go out here. And... who was on that bridge? You
This
saw that
is
too, didn't you?
Coxley.
Someone was on that bridge. Oh, it was a dispatcher. Right. Dispatcher, can you please dispatch us, please? Hello? Dispatcher. Thank you. Alright. Give him the torch. Just make that a bit clearer for him to see. Right. Let's go in. Close the door. Signal bell. Alright, next station will be Benton. Bye, dispatcher.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service. The next station is Benton.
I swear we saw that dispatcher earlier.
Platform 2 for 15.
So the train behind us is going to Lynn by the Sea, as you probably heard on the announcement then. And we're now passing through West Benton. That's West Benton, right over there. You know what I think Waterline should be called? Benton Connect. You got Stepford Connect.
We will shortly
and
be
you
arriving
got
at
Benton Connect as well, you know, because that's basically where they're around, isn't it? They're basically, Waterline are basically around Benton, so you could really say that Waterline is Benton Connect. Because they were originally part of Connect, weren't they? So why didn't they just call themselves Benton Connect? Makes sense.
Port Benton only. This train has 4 coaches.
And also Benton's basically their hub. I think pretty much every line on Waterline goes through Benton, if you know what I mean. So it really does make sense to call it Benton Connect. Right, let's open the door. Let's go out.
Your
and...
attention please.
Okay.
The 1540 Stepford Connect service to
This is
Willowfield
Benton.
has been cancelled.
Alright,
This
so we're
is
now
due
at
to
Benton.
a member of train crew being unavailable.
And the next station will be our last station of the
Platform
trip,
4
Port Benton.
for the 1522 Stepford Connect service to Lynn by the Sea.
Oh, there's the Lynn by the
Calling
Sea
at
train behind us
Benton
there. Look.
Bridge, Hampton Hargate.
I'm sorry, your suffering will be over now
Leighton
because we're
Stepford
branching
Road,
off now. So
Leighton City.
let's
Esmead,
go in. Oh shit.
Samere,
God.
West Coast,
Nearly got locked out then.
Newcastle, West Wyvern, Starry Lock, North Shore.
Yeah, we're going to branch off
and
now. So
Lynn by the Sea.
he'll be clear to go
This train has 5
straight to
coaches.
Lynn by the Sea now. So your suffering is over. So yeah, next station
Welcome
will
on
be...
board this Stepford Connect
I'll let the
service
announcement say
to
it.
Port Benton. The next station is Port Benton.
Right, so just as we're arriving, I'm going to end the video. I'm going to outro the video here. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to see more videos of me guarding, then let me know down below. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on notifications.
We will shortly be arriving at Port Benton.
Oh, there's a 68 there.
This train terminates
Make sure you
here.
join my Discord
change,
server. The link will be
please.
in this description. My next video I will be doing will be a Trainspotting Mayhem. I'll be Trainspotting at Leighton City. That will be my next video. So Arriving in now, we are arriving into Port Benton now.
The train now approaching platform 2 terminates here. This train is the service from Stepford Central.
And here we are. We're at Port Benton. Alright, let's open the local door. There's a passenger here as well. Alright, and... Alright, so I will see you later, guys. Goodbye.